Andrew, Fairweather Farmer here, and today we're talking about harvesting carrots. So, if you've got a sandy, looser, friable soil, you may be able to just pull the carrots one by one by hand, but if not, like us, we've got a clay soil here on the farm. You need a pitchfork. So you just come over here and loosen the soil around the section of carrots. It's best if you go and loosen the entire section of carrots where you need to harvest roughly. So go by, loosen with the pitchfork, come by, harvest them, and then you're going to be able to make bunches. When we're making our bunches, depending on if it's for market or baskets, it'll be a little bit different. But basically you're going to want to pick a volume that you want for your size of carrot bunch and stick to that. And then the other trick is that smaller carrots, you're going to need more carrots to fill the same volume. If you have bigger carrots, you're going to need less carrots to fill the same volume. And we like to keep the tops on the carrots, helps to keep them looking fresh. I'll post a link for how to wash the carrots so you know what to do with them after. And basically that's all there really is to it. We just come by, fork, get some carrots out, and slowly get a bunch together, and eventually you get something looking like this.